Hi guys, postman's been. In fact, he delivered these a couple of days ago. I'm waiting for a third item and it hasn't turned up. So rather than wait any longer, we'll do a quick check of these two so I can send feedback on eBay to confirm that they've arrived. They'll both be digital clock kits. Oh, that one's open. All right, that one is clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit display. Just a little soldering job, put them together. No instructions. But it looks like the details are actually printed on there clearly enough. So we should be okay. AT89C2051. I think all three of them use the same chip. Oh, this one has got instructions with it. I can't actually read the chip number off that one because it's got a bit of tape over it. I was actually looking for a clock that I could run off a 1.5 volt display battery. None of these are. These are 9 volt, I think. Oh, didn't want to lose anything. That probably says something important. Yeah, very, very Chinese. Yeah. STC12C2052. Oh, that's a 2051. So there is a difference, whatever that may be. So yeah, 2 digital clocks to solder up, and there should be a third one on the way. I really hoped that I'd get all 3 together so I could actually show them. Something to do when I'm sitting here on a rainy day. Today, the sun is shining very brightly. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, that's Postbag. I took them out of the packaging already because they've taken to put in my home details on both sides of the package, so I can't just leave it turned over. I better put that in a bag so the bits don't fall out, and I put a bit of tape on it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.